And this morning, the death toll continues to climb as these large wildfires spread in Southern California. It is devastating to learn that 24 people have now died in this.
It is just awful. The fires have now scorched more than 60 square miles. That's larger than the whole city of Aurora. Our Charlie DeMar has been in Southern California for the past 2 days. Charlie, what are you seeing on the ground right now, and how are you holding up?
Dana and Audrina, it really is hard to put into words. This is what so many homes look like, home after home after home here in the Pacific Palisades. This is a beautiful neighborhood. So many residents haven't even had the opportunity to see their homes, but just the widespread devastation really is hard to wrap your head around. As for the fires, firefighters were pretty optimistic with the progress that they had made over the weekend. Winds had died down, especially on Sunday, but the Santa Ana winds are expected to pick up, and tragically, that death toll is expected to rise. Firefighters in Southern California are in a race against time to contain the deadly wildfires. The National Weather Service warns that dangerous high winds are expected to return in the coming hours.
These winds, combined with low humidities and low fuel moistures, will keep the fire threat in all of Los Angeles County very high.
As of Sunday, officials said the Palisades fire, the largest, was still less than 20% contained. Residents of the luxury community returned home over the weekend to find their homes reduced to rubble.
It's devastating and numbing, but everybody I've spoken to who's lost their homes, they all want to rebuild.
And not every resident has been able to get back into their home due to National Guard checkpoints that have been set up for safety concerns. This as California's governor has ordered another 1,000 National Guard troops on the ground. The tragedy has triggered a massive outpouring of donations. Piles of bottled water, clothing, and other necessities took over the parking lot at the Santa Anita racetrack near the Eaton fire.
We were like, let's go help. We have to.
Danny Lee and his 6-year-old son Oliver were among the many volunteers.
Kids and grown-ups are homeless. They don't have anywhere to live.
Officials say hundreds have fled the area to shelters, with tens of thousands of people in LA County still under evacuation orders. And a little sense of normalcy today, especially for kids. They're going to go back to school, at least the majority of kids here in Los Angeles. There's just 8 schools that are closed. Those are schools in some of those hard-hit areas and schools that are located in the evacuation zones. Dana and Audrina.
All right, Charlie, we're so grateful for all of our crews out there, including you guys, keeping us informed. Thank you so much. Now,